Hey guys, welcome back to another motorcycle video here on the Normal Guy Getting By. What we're looking at here is the 82 Honda Magna V45. It is also known as the VF750C. I'm going to try not to say as you can see because that's been really getting on my nerves. This thing has been modded out by not the previous owner but the owner before that, and it is, I don't know, like a home done 80s, late 80s restoration, I guess you could say. Dude kind of threw everything at it, but you can go around here. It does have just over 15,000 miles, and it's pretty clean. When I got it, all I did was have the carbs cleaned out, and I rode it home. They still do need synced so that it will run right. Didn't want to idle quite right, but here are some aftermarket grips. I'm not offended by them, but they work for now. This is going to be a rider, not a resto project. I've got plenty of those. This one would take a lot of work to get back to original. You know, I am. So that's exciting. But as we go around this thing, original bars, I believe. And like I said, pretty clean. You know, stuff's not broken on it other than what does need repaired. Cool flame paint scheme here on the tank as I drop my phone. No, almost dropped the bike. That's right, I turned the bars. But I think that gas cap should be chrome. I don't believe that should be black. But he put some tape there down the center of the tank, so I guess that matches cool. A little bit of grip tape there, I guess, on the front brake. None on this side. They do have the hydraulic clutch, and here we have some garnish from the painting of the tank. So I would assume he painted it on the bike, didn't remove it. This Magna emblem says V-twin, which, if you didn't know, this is a V4. The only V-twin they have in the Magna line is the 250, which I've never seen before. But, you know, did he take this off to paint it, but didn't take the tank off to paint it? I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. These crash bar highway pegs here, I think they're universal. I don't believe that is Honda factory. And I believe this fender will be chrome. And this awesome tape goes along with that. Up front you can see the star pattern Honda wheels. They're in pretty decent shape. They are painted, not chromed. They look pretty good. And you have the dual front brake calipers. Obviously hydraulic activated brakes. And this hasn't been ridden, what was it, 9 years, I believe? 9 years it was set up in someone's garage. This is an easy way, interesting way to fix your turn signals. Just splice in some LEDs. They both work, by the way. The hanging signals do have water in them. Talk a little bit about the engine while we're here. It is a 4-stroke 90-degree V4, dual overhead cam, 4 valves per cylinder, and it's a 45.6 cubic inch, so that's why we call it the V45 Magna. 748 cc's. There is your regulator rectifier sitting there with the fins because it needs cooled, so that is air cooled. Going around the back, shaft drive, and there's some good turn signals also. Again, I think the fender should be chrome. It was painted, and I guess not much to say about the rear here other than rear tire is a 130/90/16. The front tire is a 110/90/18. This is an aftermarket seat. I actually have replaced it since. This is an aftermarket slash cut open pipe. It is a straight pipe. It is loud. And if you're curious, that seat, I believe, was a Traveler, and I sold it and put an original seat on it. Again, this sticker here is an emblem for the newer Magnas, like the 90s. And these little badges here are not factory. One down there in the exhaust, and then this one on the front. 45 years, I believe, of Honda. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let's see, what else can we talk about here? 6-speed transmission, and I've seen specs of 79 horsepower to 82 horsepower, depending on where you look. So that's the walk around of the 82 Magna. Thanks for hanging out. Catch you on the next one.